In self-assembly, stem cells or progenitor cells form the 3D structure autonomously. First, the stem cells aggregate with minimal exogenous intervention, due to the presence of morphogens and growth factors in the media and extracellular matrix. After aggregation, stem cells are provided with morphogens and growth factors in a carefully time-controlled stepwise fashion to induce mesoderm cells. These growth factors include CHIR99021, BMP4, activin A, and FGF4. Then other growth factors are added to induce cardiac mesoderm formation. These growth factors include C59, IWP2, L-ascorbic acid, phosphate, and VEGF-A. Finally, CHIR99021 is added for epicardial induction. The established cardiac stem cell lineages produced, release their own local morphogens and trigger higher levels of structure and organization quickly.